we have an essential topic for beginners: how to invest. Whether you're just starting your investment journey or looking to refine your strategy, this video is packed with tips and guidance to help you navigate the exciting world of investing. And to make it even more special, we'll be incorporating some timeless wisdom from the legendary investor Warren Buffett. So let's dive into the fundamentals of investing and discover strategies that can set you on the path to financial success. 1. Understanding the basics of investing. Let's start our journey into the world of investing by laying a solid foundation through understanding the basics. Investing is essentially putting money to work with the goal of generating returns over time. In this segment, we'll explore key concepts like risk tolerance, the power of compound interest, and the various investment vehicles available, from stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds. It's crucial for beginners to grasp these fundamental principles, as they provide the groundwork for making informed and strategic investment decisions. So buckle up as we demystify the terminology and concepts that form the backbone of successful investing, setting the stage for your financial journey ahead. 2. The timeless wisdom of Warren Buffett. Now let's delve into the timeless wisdom of one of the most revered investors, Warren Buffett. Known as the Oracle of Omaha, Buffett's principles have guided countless successful investment strategies. In this segment, we'll uncover some of his key insights, such as the emphasis on long-term thinking over short-term gains, the importance of investing in what you understand, staying within your circle of competence, and the concept of economic moats. These principles, backed by Buffett's remarkable track record, serve as beacons for investors seeking not just financial success, but enduring prosperity in the dynamic world of markets. 3. Setting investment goals. Now let's turn our focus to the crucial aspect of setting investment goals. Warren Buffett often emphasizes the significance of having clear objectives to guide your investment strategy. In this segment, we'll explore the process of defining your financial goals, whether they involve retirement planning, buying a home, or funding your children's education. Establishing specific, measurable, and achievable goals not only provides direction, but also helps tailor your investment approach to align with your unique aspirations. By understanding the why behind your investments, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions that contribute to your long-term financial success. 4. Building a diversified portfolio. Moving on to the fourth crucial element of successful investing: building a diversified portfolio. Following the wisdom of Warren Buffett, we explore the concept of not putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversification involves spreading your investments across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate to mitigate risk and enhance overall portfolio resilience. In this segment, we'll delve into the art of constructing a well-balanced portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Understanding how to distribute investments strategically can help safeguard your wealth in the face of market fluctuations, contributing to a more stable and robust financial future. 5. Selecting individual stocks. Now let's explore the intricate process of selecting individual stocks, a realm where Warren Buffett has carved his success. In this fifth segment, we'll uncover the key principles Buffett adheres to when choosing stocks for his portfolio. From assessing a company's financial health and evaluating its competitive advantage to understanding its management, we'll unravel the criteria that contribute to long-term investment success. Understanding the nuances of individual stock selection can empower investors to make informed choices, aligning their portfolios with companies that have the potential for sustained growth. So join us as we navigate the intricate world of stock picking, guided by the wisdom of Warren Buffett. 6. Weathering market volatility. As we venture into the sixth segment, we tackle a topic inherent to investing: weathering market volatility. Warren Buffett's journey is marked by his ability to navigate through various market conditions, and in this segment, we'll dissect the strategies he employs during times of turbulence, from maintaining a long-term perspective and staying disciplined in the face of fluctuations to recognizing market downturns as potential buying opportunities. We'll explore how investors can build resilience against volatility. Understanding these principles can empower you to approach market swings with confidence and make strategic decisions that align with your overall investment goals. 7. Reviewing your investment strategy. As we near the end of our journey, we'll guide you through the importance of regularly reviewing and adjusting your investment strategy. Markets evolve, and your financial situation may change, so it's crucial to ensure your portfolio aligns with your current goals and risk tolerance. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to invest for beginners, with valuable insights inspired by the legendary Warren Buffett. Whether you're aiming for financial independence or looking to grow your wealth, the principles discussed in this video can serve as a solid foundation for your investment journey. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial wisdom. Thanks for joining us today on this channel. Happy investing!